I am here to show you my newest stuff called Prologue version 5.0. This program that I programmed in Unity can learn everything that you want. So go ahead and show you something new today. I create a ChatGPT like bot in Unity, so we click on it. I'm waiting for the response. Okay, so we have the product here. I create this software only in 5 days, so it's called the version 5. I have the version 2 in the GitHub. The link for the download of the GitHub and my Discord channel I will add under the video after I finish this video. I create this software only using Unity and C#. You can create I think you can create everything with Unity, so it's a very good software. And what is this software is doing is that he can replace ChatGPT on your PC. So you can have offline ChatGPT on your PC without any trouble. So the learning file is here. It's just like 85 kilobytes, 85. So there is no problem. It's very uh, stable on your computer. You don't need to see the blue screen on your screen of your computer. It's very good. We can use it. Let's go ahead and try it. So if I say hi, and you can click on the think button, it will answer you. Let's try something else. What is how old are you? Let's say that. How old are you? As you can see that if you ask any questions here, the answer will be right here, and in the learn section you can enter your questions and enter the answers.